Hi, my name is James Mace, practicing dentist and inventor of the Orbiter Curing Light Eye Shield. I'm here today to talk to you about the installation and the use of the device. When you receive your kit, you'll notice it has use instructions on one side of this card and installation instructions on the other. You'll also have the cleaning and disinfection instructions and warranty information on this card. And you'll have the device. The device comes in a kit with 3 different grommets. The starting point for installing the device on your curing light is to select the appropriate grommet for your curing light. With 3 different grommets, the device and the kit will fit the vast majority of the curing lights on the market. This is a Velo curing light. For fitting this device to the Velo curing light, we try different grommets. In this case, I started with a large, and notice that this is very far back from the tip of the curing light, and you won't be able to access the activation button. So this grommet is too large for this device. For Velo curing lights, the appropriate size is the medium grommet. And as we put this on, notice it's fairly snug at about 2.75 inches from the tip, which allows the user to access the posterior of the mouth and also access the activation button. So we then take that grommet off of the curing light once we know which one fits and slip it into the device. The device itself has a bearing that helps it work, and we need to make certain that the grommet is completely seated and evenly seated on both sides, and that the grommet and bearing spin freely. So the grommet is installed in the device. We need to now install the device on the curing light. For a left-handed operator, we want this handle on the right side. For a right-handed operator, which most of us are, we want the handle on the left side. So we slip this on, and notice as you hold the curing light, this handle or finger rest should be on the left side. From there, using the device is simple. It does most of the work for you. As you go in and you cure at different points of the mouth, the device itself is going to automatically adjust to almost any position within the mouth. In some situations, if it's not quite in the right position, it's incredibly easy to just adjust it using the finger rest. So as we come into some positions, I notice sometimes the linguals of maxillary anteriors, I need to come in and just kind of nudge this and rotate it into position, especially if I'm right behind 8 and 9. Adjust it in position, then you just simply set it down and you're done. There's no constant need to adjust the device or the filter on your curing light, which improves the longevity of the filter because it's not breaking the way so many of the rigid filters do, and it just makes the whole curing process much easier. So that covers most of the aspects for the use and installation of the Orbiter Curing Light Eye Shield on your curing light. If you have any further questions, feel free to call us at our toll-free number listed in the packaging or look us up online. Thank you very much for supporting innovation in dentistry, and enjoy your new device.